Hi again, it's RedScar here, and today I'm gonna be doing another tutorial. Today I won't be doing any EDM. Today it's gonna be some hip hop, trap, rap music, since our society has really bad taste in music. No hate to rap fans, but I'm personally not a big fan of rap. I'll be teaching you guys how to make background music for any SoundCloud rappers out there. So if you could rap along, that'll be cool. This is how my track sounds like. Okay, so first things first, you want to set the tempo to around 140, 150. That's what most rap and hip hop are set at. And the first things first, you want a piano. So it's a very, very simple piano, so it sounds a bit like. And you want to layer it with some bells, so it'll sound like. So quite a bit of reverb on those two, and if you like more hip hoppy, more 80s kind of style, you want to add a Kill Bill. Pretty much most of you have seen Kill Bill already. It sounds a bit like, yeah, and some 808 crash. Practically 808 drum kit is pretty good, and some impacts, white noise all together. Yeah, that'll be the beginning. And after a bit while, I'm pretty sure a lot of people who listen to rap will hear this. Yeah, that sound. So all together. You want to add a build up to whatever is happening here. So I add some snares. So some white noise reversed and more impact stuff. For here, this is really up to you. So like usually a lot of SoundCloud rappers or rappers in general, they have like some empty spaces. So like say something, 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 hey, something, 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 hey. Yeah, I'm not a rapper, so yeah, you can add an A if you want, or oi, or I don't even know. Like I don't listen to rap, man. Um, so for the bass, very simple, 808. It's really boomy. So let's see if I can just find that pattern. Piano. Yeah, so this is a hybrid trap sample. Trap and rap are fairly similar. So you want to add like a little bump here, and then at the end you want to add a huge bump, which will add more of a bounce to the music. Yeah. And you can add a snare fill pitch down if you want. Reverse snares, reverse cymbals are alright, but I like snare fill pitch down because I'm an EDM boy. Also added some piano chords to make it sound melodic. Don't forget the sidechain. Sidechain is really, really important. I haven't made a tutorial on sidechain yet. I'll probably make that soon. Hi-hats. Very generic in rap or hip-hop. So the first one would just sound like this. Very simple. And you want to get to another build-up. And then there's like an empty space here. So, and then they'll say something, probably like the name of the song or whatever. And you want to get to a more complex pattern, which would sound like. Yeah. Also added another Kill Bill, and now I added this. Yeah, so that's up to you if you want to put that on. So every 4 bars, again, the rule of 2 or 4. This time I followed the rule of 4, not the rule of 2. Over here is another 808 crash, except I kind of shortened it, and another snare fill pitch down. And another Kill Bill and some impacts. And another one. And I don't know how to end it, so I just ended it with white noise and a crash.